Children, we know that there are three methods to solve a pair of linear equations. We have already learned about substitution method and elimination method. Here we are going to solve the problems using cross multiplication method. In this cross multiplication method, there are several steps to be remembered. The first thing is the given pair of linear equations should be of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Then we have to write the variables x, y and 1. 1 is nothing but the constant. So remember, I have written on the side b, c, a, b. That means here first we have to write b, that is b1, b2. Then we have to write c1, c2, then a1, a2, then b1, b2. Then x by, we have to multiply in the order. I have written 1, 2. The order is b1, c2 minus b2, c1 is equal to y by c1, a2 minus c2, a1 is equal to 1 by a1, b2 minus a2, b1. We can find the value of x and y only if a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is not equal to 0. We'll go for the problem. Exercise 3.5, first sum. Which of the following pair of linear equations has unique solution, no solution or infinitely many solutions? In case there is a unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. The first question is x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. 3x minus 9y minus 2 is equal to 0. First, we have to use the conditions for these three type of solutions and then find out whether it is unique, infinitely many solutions or no solution. So, first one is a1 by a2. Here, the first equation x minus 3y minus 3, x has a coefficient 1. So, a1 is 1. And the second equation 3x, x for the coefficient of x is 3. So a1 by a2 is 1 by 3. Then next b1 by b2 is minus 3 by minus 9. When you cancel you get 1 by 3. c1 by c2 is minus 3 by minus 2, 3 by 2. So here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and not equal to c1 by c2. So this is the condition for parallel lines. So we have no solution for this. The next is 2x plus y is equal to 5. 2x plus 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. First, we need not make it equal to 0. Just let us find out whether it is having unique solution or not. Now, so a1 by a2 is 2 by 3. b1 by b2 is 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is 5 by 8. Here, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. This is the condition for intersecting lines. So, it has unique solution. Now, since it is a unique solution, you are going to find the solution by cross multiplication method. In this case, we are writing this equation as 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. So now we have got two equations. Now from this 2x plus y, this is of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now using that, we are writing x, y and 1. As I told you, x is a variable, y is a variable and the third one is a constant that you make it as 1. Now first you are using that b, c, a, b. First you write the b value, that is b1 and b2, 1, 2. Then c is minus 5, minus 8. Then a is 2 and 3. And 1 is, that is b is 1, 2. So x by, now multiply in this order where I have written 1, 2. The first one is 1 into minus 8 minus 2 into minus 5 minus 10. Next minus 5 into 3 minus 15 minus of minus 8 into 2 minus 16. Then 2 into 2 4 minus 3 into 1 3. X by minus 8 minus of minus is plus 10 is equal to y by minus 15 minus of minus plus 16. 1 by 4 minus 3 is 1. Now x by minus 8 plus 10 is 2 is equal to y by minus 15 plus 16 is 1 is equal to 1. So x by 2 is equal to 1. We have to equate x value with the constant term. Constant is here 1. So x by 2 is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, y by 1 is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. The next two sums are for homework. The answer is also given, you can check. The next question, second one, in the first subdivision, for which values of a and b does the following pairs of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions? This we need not use cross multiplication method. Since they have given the condition infinite number of solutions, we have to write the condition for that. So the problem is 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. A minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. We have two equations. In that, for infinite number of solutions, the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So now you know very well, here a1 is 2 and a2 is a minus b. So 2 by a minus b. Next 3y. 3 is b1 and a plus b is b2. 3 by a plus b is equal to 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. Now when you cross multiply, we can take any of the equations like first one and the third one, or first one and the second one, anything, and equate it and find two equations and then find the value of a and b. Now here I have taken the first two, that is 2 by a minus b is equal to 3 by a plus b. I have equated this 2. So by cross multiplication I get 2 into a plus b is equal to 3 into a minus b. 2a plus 2b is equal to 3a minus 3b. I am opening the bracket. Bring all the terms to one side. So it is 2a minus 3a plus 2b plus 3b is equal to 0. Minus a plus 5b is equal to 0. That is 2a minus 3a is minus a. 2b plus 3b is 5b. This is first equation. Now I have taken the second and the third. That is 3 by a plus b is equal to 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. Here also we cross multiply. 3 into 3a plus b minus 2 is equal to 7 into a plus b. When you open the bracket, you get 9a plus 3b minus 6 is equal to 7a plus 7b. 9a minus 7a plus 3b minus 7b is minus 6 equal to 0. I brought all the terms to one side. 9a minus 7a is 2a plus 3b minus 7b is minus 4b is equal to 6. Now take 2 as common. 2 into a minus 2b is equal to 6. A minus 2b is equal to 6 by 2. A minus 2b is equal to 3. This is the second equation. Now we have two equations. Minus a plus 5b is equal to 0. A minus 2b is equal to 3. Now by elimination method, any method you can use for this because they have not mentioned any method here. So I have taken elimination method. Here minus a plus 5b equal to 0, a minus 2b equal to 3. Now when I take a, I have minus 1 as the coefficient and a 1 as the coefficient for the second equation. Now both are a and different signs. So whenever you get different signs and the same number, the coefficient is 1 for both. So when you add, you can eliminate this term. So when I am adding, this gets eliminated. 5b minus 2b is 3b. 0 plus 3 is 3. So b is equal to 3 by 3 is equal to 1. b is equal to 1. Even cross multiplication method also we can use it. Any method will get the same answer. Substitute the value of b in 2 or in 1. Any equation you can take. I have taken 2. A minus 2b is equal to 3. A minus 2 into 1 is equal to 3. A minus 2 is equal to 3. A is equal to 3 plus 2. A is equal to 5. Now hence A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 1 gives infinite number of solutions for the pair of linear equations. The next question is, for which value of k will the following pair of linear equations have no solution? Same way, to find the value of k, we have tried the condition for no solution and then solve it. 3x plus y is equal to 1 is the first equation. Here 3 is a1, y, that is 1y. 1 is b1 and c is 1. And same way the next equation, 2k minus 1 into x, plus k minus 1 into y is equal to 2k plus 1. Here also a2, b2 and c2 is given. For no solution, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2 is the condition for that. So now, since the last one is not equal to, I have not taken that. The first two I have taken. So a1 by a2, 3 by 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 by k minus 1. Now cross multiplication, 3 into k minus 1 is equal to 1 into 2k minus 1. Now 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. 3k minus 2k is equal to minus 1 plus 3. K is equal to 2. Hence, k is equal to 2 gives no solution for the linear equation. Next is solve the pair of linear equations by the substitution and cross multiplication method. Here I have done cross multiplication. The substitution method you have to do as homework. 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. Solution 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0, first equation. 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, second equation. We have to bring to this form. Now a1 by a1 is 8, a2 is 3, b1 is 5, b2 is 2, c1 is minus 9, c2 is minus 4. Don't cancel the minus sign, keep as it is. By cross multiplication method, first we'll write x, y and 1. And as I told you, b, c, a, b. So b, first you write b1, b2, then c1, c2, then a, a1, a2, then b, b1, b2. In this order you have to write. And multiplication also, as I have told you, 5 into minus 4 first, then minus 2 into minus 9. So minus 20 minus of minus 18 is equal to y by minus 9 into 3, minus 27 minus of minus 32. 4 into 8 is 32 is equal to 1 by 8 is a 16 minus 3 5 is a 15. When you calculate x by minus 20, minus or minus become plus 18, y by minus 27 plus 32 is equal to 1 by 1. So x by minus 2 is equal to y by 5 is equal to 1. Equate with the constant term. X by minus 2 is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 2, y by 5 is equal to 1, y is equal to 5. The remaining problems we will do it tomorrow.